Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. And today I'm showing you 3 high protein, easy and quick lunches that you can make at home anytime. All right, so diving into lunch numero uno, and we are having high protein wraps. Now, the ingredients are very simple. We've got your wrap of choice. You can have white, wholemeal, mixed lettuce. You will have your protein of choice. I have chosen turkey today. Salsa, mayo, hot sauce, vegetables. We're sticking with simple lettuce, cucumber, and some cheese.
Yes, cheese. Well-known vegetable.
Well-known vegetable. Now the great thing about wraps is that they're super quick to make. All I did with the turkey, I just quickly fried it up with some lime and chili seasoning, and that is ready to go, and then we just put it together. Wraps have literally been one of the staple lunches in my diet for a very long time. They're probably one of my favorite foods. I have an unhealthy addiction to them, don't I? They're just amazing, quick and convenient, and let's get to making it. So what you're gonna do, the way I like to do it, is you're gonna heat your pan up first, put it on a medium heat, because we wanna kind of toast the tortillas before we put the filling in. So we're just gonna put the tortilla on the pan and cook it for about 30 seconds on each side, just so it crisps up a little bit. So I just wanna say, wraps and any other kind of sandwiches, or what's another thing, a pita, they're great things to have, but they also most of the time get a bad rep because of bread and carbs and everything like that. But carbs are not the enemy. Bread isn't the enemy. Overeating is the enemy. So if you eat things in moderation alongside vegetables and a healthy diet, you can pretty much eat what you like and have a great time doing it, because you're going to be able to adhere to the diet a lot longer. So that's 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other. This will prevent any ripping as you're wrapping it up. Now that's heated, we're going to get it off the pan, and we're going to assemble it nice and easy. So I like to start lettuce first. So just doorbell. One bottle for you, mate. Cheers, buddy. Quick. It's not for me, it's for you. So as I was saying, I like to start lettuce first, and then we're going to add our protein. So I'm going to add 80 grams. Now, like with all the meals I'm going to show you today, you can adjust the amounts that you put inside each meal to fit your calorie needs and calorie goals. That's the best thing about these meals, is that they're very customizable. Like, for example, you don't have to use turkey. You can use anything you like: chicken, beef, salmon, pea protein things, which are a great vegan substitute, which they're actually really tasty. And then we're gonna add the salsa. Now, salsa is a great alternative to sauce, or just to give anything a bit of flavor and a bit of taste, especially when you're going really low calories. Doesn't really matter, the calories per 100 grams is so low, you can pretty much have as much as you like. Then we're gonna add the cheese. So I've got 20 grams here, just crumbled up. Tomatoes. No, cucumbers. Cucumbers. And then you drizzle it with some hot sauce of choice. I love Frank's Red Hot. It should be partnered with them. I go through 2 bottles a week. There you go. And if you really want to add some creamy texture, go with some light mayo to finish. And you basically made yourself a high protein burrito wrap. That was 5 grams, perfect. So the wrapping process, what I like to do, because what we're actually going to do is place it back on the pan to crisp it up. We're going to get both sides like a parcel, and then you're going to wrap it over, tucking it in and making a little food taste envelope for yourself. And then from there, where the wrap lines up, you're gonna place it back on the pan, just for this is a very low heat, just for 10 seconds. Let that crisp up. Seconds is over. Make sure you should get a nice crispy look like so. Do the same on the other side. And then once that is done, now don't use your hands like me. I've just got very weird, numb hands. And there you have it. Your anabolic high protein wrap that tastes absolutely amazing. Now, I'm gonna make 2. You can stick with 1. Hell, you can even have 3 if you're on a bulking diet. But it's fully customizable. It's great. It tastes amazing. And enjoy, and I'll see you in the next meal. All right, guys, so coming on to meal number 2, lunch number 2, and that is the 1-pan prawn chicken noodle extravaganza. Right, so what we have here is the chicken and prawn, so you can use any protein you like. Actually, come back up to me. The best thing about this meal is that it is totally customizable. What we have is a protein sauce, a carb sauce, and a vegetable sauce. All done in the frying pan, and you can use any protein you like as long as it's lean, natural, clean protein. I'm using prawns and chicken as they're my favorite, and I've also got here some pumpkin noodles with brown rice. They're amazing, and I love throwing them into like stir fry kind of things, but you can use anything you like. You can use rice, you can use pasta, you can use potatoes. It doesn't matter, as long as they're cooked, you throw them in the pan, it's done. It's easy and it tastes amazing. And then we just got some vegetables here. These are just what I had in the fridge. Got some peppers, some broccolini, some onions, and some tomatoes. Sorry, I get very passionate about this meal because it's so easy, and I used to have this all the time, and there's no excuse not to make food. You can do this in 5 minutes. Hell, I used to wake up at 5 a.m. to go to work for 12 hours as a PT. I used to make this at 12 a.m. at night, so it'd be ready. It doesn't matter, if you can always make time. But anyway, the process, what we're gonna do, season up the pan with some spray, as much as you like. And there we go. Turn it on, and then first we add the vegetables. So we want to go with the more harder vegetables first that take longer to cook. So the broccoli, pepper, and the onion. Then we actually add the tomatoes last, but then you add the proteins, then the carbs last. Throw it all in the pan. Add whatever sauce you like. I think I might add some teriyaki sauce to this to give it an Asian twist, and enjoy. So let's get cooking. First step, vegetables. Boom. These vegetables, guys, just use what's in your fridge. Use your favorite. Hell, if you don't like vegetables, don't use them, but use them because you must eat your vegetables. Put hair on your chest, even though I don't have any. We're gonna add the chicken, then the prawns. Oh yes, look at that. Then we're going to add the tomatoes in, as these will help just moisten it up. The noodles are strained. Add them in. I chose 85 grams of these noodles, dry cooked, dry weight. And then we're going to stir it in like so. And this is the end result. Look at that, so much volume for one portion. Now you can change the portion sizes depending on your calories, just like every other meal, but the calories and the macros will be on the screen here. And this, you can add any sauce you like. Hell, you can even add hot sauce, mayo, anything like you. I'll probably add mayo because I do like myself a bit of lighter than light mayo. But yeah, this is lunch number 2. Probably my go-to pretty much every other day. It's quick, easy, tastes great, and it'll help you stay in shape. But anyway, let's go on to the next meal. All right, guys, so coming on to the last lunch idea. It is a protein smoothie. Now, you can have this any time of the day. I usually have it as my meal 2, so after breakfast. I love it. It's quick, easy, and convenient. And yeah, I have it all the time, and it tastes awesome. So the ingredients are as follows. We've got some oats, whey protein powder, almond milk, powdered peanut butter. Now you can use any peanut butter you'd like, but I like to use the powdered peanut butter because it has less fat and tastes exactly the same as a smoothie. Both of these are from Myprotein. If you do want any, check the link in the description. Some frozen berries of choice, and then we have a banana, some cinnamon, and to top it all off, we have some spinach. Now, putting spinach in a shake not only is going to help increase your vegetable intake alongside all the benefits of spinach like iron, folic acid, etc. You can't taste it. People who think green shakes taste bad, you can't taste it, especially with all the other ingredients in there. So all we're gonna do, it's so simple, it's so quick, and it's a great lunch idea because it keeps for a couple of hours and you can take it with you, drink it after your workout or when you're on the go. We're gonna throw it in here, blend it up, and have a great time. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you my measurements, which I think are a good base, but just like everything on this video, you can adjust the measurements to reach your target calories to match them. So we're going to start with almond milk, so 200 mils of that. The oats, I am having 40 grams. Then we have 40 grams of The Whey, salted caramel flavor, my favorite of all time, tastes great. And because of the added digestive enzymes that's in it, it helps you digest it very well, especially if you have a lactose problem. The PB, we're gonna put 10 grams of this in. Tastes absolutely amazing. I love a banana a day usually, in some sort of form. And then we've got, so you can choose any berries that you like. I've got strawberries and blueberries, as these are my favorite. Strawberry out. And then we add the spinach. We're just going to do the rest of this. I usually go for 50 grams, 50 to 100 grams. This is only 25, but we haven't got any more. And all we're going to do, I'm actually going to top it up with a bit of water, just so it's not too icy, because we're not making ice cream here. So top it up with like 100 mils of water. And then we are set to go. So let's go give it a blend. And there we have it. Quick and easy. This was literally done in under 5 minutes. It tastes amazing. Now you can drink it straight out of here like I usually do, but I've got to pretend to the world that I'm not a savage. I'm a refined gentleman, so we're just going to pour it in here. It's just basically like a chocolate peanut butter smoothie, and it tastes absolutely amazing. Oh, and it fits perfectly in the Myprotein shaker. I don't know why. It's the little things that just make me happy. So cheers, and oh, amazing. Anyway, guys. So that was a very weird, seductive. Well, it wasn't seductive, but anyway, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if these recipes have helped you, please let me know, and let me know if you try them, because we love them here at the Adomi and Marina household, don't we? Yes, we do. But thanks again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.